Sorry, let me get out of your way, buddy. I'm just trying to get myself in here. My bad. Anyways,
Oh, you blocked somebody.
I was gonna tell you about Good Evening Rach, but there's
ponies.
somebody coming. So, anyways, we're here. I've got beautiful Kristen and a bunch of ponies.
There are ponies. There's a spotted pony. Spotted pony. Oh, he's cute. Natalie would like him.
We're gonna go check in. I think there's a place up here coming up.
Got the tutors.
Yeah, we did get our tutors. And then we'll go say hey to the folks somewhere, wherever they be at. So, all right. When you see us again, you'll see us wherever they're at. Yes. Here at our cabin, I want you to look at this. The sunset. Look at how golden it is across here right now. And if you turn and look, it's a beautiful rainbow. Right now, right outside of our cabin. It is the most golden I think I've ever seen a sky in my whole life. The camera does not even do it justice. This is crazy. Inside the rainbow. Taste the rainbow. So we're up here, Canvas, West Virginia. Good Evening Rach, and we're having a good evening, as you can see. We're unloaded. Went over and talked to Creepy Crawler. Saw Mr. Studebaker. Saw Reds 02. Hot Lap. Saw Captain 315. That's Josh Theory. And yeah, who else? Andy. So we're over here right now, just got our stuff settled in. We got the Honda, we got Chill, Cactus, and my beautiful love. So we're gonna hang out here for a little bit and go hang out with the boys. But I wanted you to see that rainbow because it's probably still there. Yeah. So over there is where the rocks are. And down there, surprise.
Change of plans. So we are not going to be riding today. We've had some things happen at the house. So we're going to have to load up and take it on back to North Carolina. When?
So we're home from our visit with our friends, and got silver maple trees. As you can see, this one has a huge limb. One of the three bases of it decided to come off and go from our house. You can see your deck here. It hit it so hard it broke it there, broke it there. So we got that. Fell across here. Just missed the Miata. But as you can see, Hans Gruber over there took a hit. And yet got the roof popped up. It popped the piece up there. It just missed the Jeep. I mean, just missed it. If the kitty cat would have been in there, she would have had a trip, wouldn't she? Oh yeah, it's good. The car is squished in. You can see the door jamb going up and in. So the roof is probably about 3 inches shorter.
This is very sad.
You can see the size of it. It's like a tree,
right now.
basically. Somehow it didn't break the glass, and the door jamb and everything is still sealed. So that is some 1994 German quality, because if you were in this car and this happened to you, you would have been perfectly okay. It broke the window.
Broke the windshield.
Yeah. Oh well. So far it looks like the BMW is the worst part. We're gonna go try to look at the house though. I can't really see yet what the damage is up there. Obviously the deck. So we're gonna go see where we're at up here, make sure that there's not just a huge giant hole. We're gonna try to get the Miata and cut some limbs and get the Miata out of the way. And then when I start cutting this down, I'm gonna try to brace it somewhere up here maybe, so that it doesn't just smash down when I cut it off the deck up there, because it's being held still kind of by the house and the deck up there. I gotta get the pressure off of it. I don't think our house is smashed in. Thank you, Lord. It looks like it's not smashed. Maybe I might be able to just cut it and our roof will be fine. I think our deck took it. Lord, let that be the case. Man, let's get this lens here for you. You can see that size of that limb where she came down at. Man. Alright, y'all, well, here's the new tree feature for the house. But we'll keep you updated, I guess, since this has turned into a Hurricane Ian tree damage video instead of a good trail ride video with my friends. I'll go ahead and finish the rest of it, let you see what happens, the process of getting this off there, and trying to get my deck back and everything else. The BMWs are right off. I mean, the roof's gone. There's no way of fixing a roof like that. So goodbye, Hans, and we'll see you in another kind of forum at some point. I mean, I might keep driving it at the track if the door shuts or whatever, but I'm not gonna, put a bunch of money into a car that has got the roof smashed in on it. So guess we'll be doing a lot of work on this in the future.
Well, we got most of the loose debris pulled away, but we gotta figure out this. But we're gonna move this little princess away, because the way everything fell, it fell perfectly around her and the S14, and nothing hit the Z in my car, so they're just over there now. So yeah, I don't really know how bad it is until we see what's on the roof. So that's gonna be where I decide if it's real bad or if it's just a little bad. So we'll let you know. She's out of the way. And so now we're gonna try to get some more stuff off the house. I'd say this is about a level 4 emotional, financial trauma right now. But you know, we just working folks, so we just do the best we can. I'm so sad for you. Maybe this just means she'll be a convertible. Maybe I'll steal that extra bucket seat and stick it in the Z on the passenger side. That's mean. Too soon. Alright, so we've got it cut back off the house now. So now it's just sitting on the deck. So just trying to figure out the safest way to take the rest of this down, because it's pretty large and pretty heavy. So we'll see. Oh, poor thing. Got the steering wheel on. Somehow the steering wheel got bent. Not even sure how that happened. Unrelated incident, but now it matches the car. All right, so what's the plan?
Okay, so if you look over there, there's a 10,000 pound Smitty-built winch. Just happens to be right out of harm's way. Right above this big huge tree is the huge tree it came from. So we're going to use the huge tree it came from to help us here. I'm going to tie a loop here. And then I'm going to run the cable up from the winch to a pulley block here. And then back down to here and tie this off. And pull this up into this tree right here. Just enough to hold it. That way we can yank the BMW out from under it and have the tree held with the Jeep right there to a pulley block. Then after I get that done, we might try letting the tree down to see what it does. And if it starts to act funny up there, then I'm just going to hold it here and go up there and cut it and let it fall down that way.
Because I mean, it can't really break the deck more.
Yeah, if I get
There's
it
not
far
that
enough
much
away
on the
from
deck. We were
then-
able to cut everything off of the house.
And then it should be okay. And then I'll lower it down back.
And then this thing just looks way uglier, and it's going to get parked out of my sight, so I don't have to get upset about it every time I look at it. Sounds like a win to me, avoiding my emotions.
Tree tied off to the pulley block, to the tree, to the winch, to the Jeep. I'm going to try to put some pressure on this tree, and then we can maybe get it out of here. But the battery's not been holding charge in the Jeep, so we're going to hope for the best. Of course that went on the wrong side. Let's go over here. Stand back over here. Okay, I think it's floating right now. All right, come check it out. We're got her held here, and yeah, maybe got a couple little pieces there, and my rigging looks good up there.
Yeah.
So far, so good.
It's not touching it except on that one like limb, but as soon as you pull it back, it'll.
Yeah, it should take the weight off of it.
Getting completely out of the way on this one. Would you like to hand me GoPro?
Well, you might want to drive the truck. I don't know.
You want me to drive the truck?
Probably.
Oh man, just go straight past the Miata.
Just go slow, I'll tell you. You're just gonna, literally, we're just gonna move it to here for now. Let me put the key in so it'll steer. All right.
Pop it out of gear too, and take the e-brake off.
Man, pop it out of gear and take the e-brake off. That's a lot of stuff. Of course the key won't unlock right now. There we go. Maybe. There we go. That's unlocked.
Alright, ready?
I'll give it just a second here.
You ready?
I think so. Just go slow. Go for it. Yay, look at that. All right, you can stop. Look. The tree is being held up by my rig off my Jeep, and it's staying up there fine. Actually, one of those held too. Look at that. Now we gotta look at the damage.
Oh, I'm sorry, dude.
Ouch.
Okay.
It's the Arrow model. Well, the door open. It said, would I?
Oh, this doesn't look very promising right here.
No, it's definitely,
It's definitely kind of.
the whole roof line is
So we just gotta take
pushed
the
up
roof
to
off.
here, see?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I went on the inside. It's definitely looks
It's
a little.
what we call compromised.
It is.
The roof is compromised on Hans.
Well, it matches the sky.
Well, the door opened up and shut. You want to see if it'll...
Let me take the wood trim off. I know you like it. Oh, here, you want to hold on to this guy? I think it came from your
Oh, for my flexi.
job over
Yeah,
here.
my sunroof.
Ooh. Oh, there you go. Open. It worked. Our neighbor is awesome. Because I wasn't sure if our neighbor wanted to be in the video, but he came over with his tractor and helped us get the rest of this down. So, yay! Yay! Clark wanted to know if the windows worked. Let's see.
Sorry.
If it gets stuck, it's his fault. Oh, put it back up now, because it's probably not going to go up. Clark, this is your fault.
Pardon me, babe.
Here, do you want me to work the knobber?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let me get it.
We're gonna have to go down probably first.
Okay, I'll go slow.
Right there.
It won't. There we go. Maybe. Ryan Clark's fault.
Close the door on your... I'm gonna push. Are you going down or something?
No, I'm going up. Where's the towel sitting? You can like wipe the water off.
It's underneath of you probably, but...
No, it's not. Here's one right here. There you go. Yay!
Never again!
Brian Clark, no more requests from you. But it does go down and up, but very, very,
Ish.
very difficultly.
Okay. All right.
Oh, there's a little smoke on the tires.
Hands breathing.
Them Douglases doing good. Bye.